I'm about to talk about one of the simplest ways for you to start making money in 2023 by posting short videos on YouTube without having to record any of them yourself. Okay, let's begin. Also, I want to tell you something right away. Short videos on YouTube are very popular. To be exact, YouTube has given out over 100 million so that they can help the people who make content. And I'm only talking about YouTube Shorts. That shows how much they promote this kind of content. These are short, interesting movies that are 30 to 45, maybe even 60 seconds long. From then on, every other social media site started using the same idea. That's why there are Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, and so on. It's just that they want to get back some of the market share that TikTok took away from them. But in this video, I'll show you how to start making money with YouTube Shorts too, even if you're just an average person like me and they didn't have to do anything silly or crazy in front of the camera. Also, I'm not going to ask you to dance. This is what I had in mind. As we look into the competition and try to figure out what kinds of videos are actually doing well on YouTube Shorts, we'll see that pet videos are among them, along with challenges and dances. And these are going viral like crazy. A lot of people are interested in them. It gets crazy every time someone posts a video of their pet. But luckily for you, there is a way to use other people's work and turn it into YouTube Shorts without any problems with copyright. You can also make money from it. This is how you do it. It makes sense that we can't just download these YouTube Shorts and post them elsewhere. That wouldn't work. For sure, we'll get a copyright strike or two, and our station will be taken down in the end. That's why it's not worth it. Instead, you should do this. I just need to type in pet videos, right? I'll go to the filters and use this one as soon as I find that. You should choose Creative Commons from the list of options. If you haven't heard of that type of licensing, a Creative Commons movie is one that isn't protected by copyright laws. In other words, you can use it again. You could download these videos to your device and then use them again and again, even for business reasons, and no one would object. Not only won't I get copied, but I could even use these movies in my own YouTube videos. That gives us a lot of choices if you think about it. You can take the information from one of these collections and use it in a different way. That's exactly what we're going to do. Look at this. I think it's pretty clear what's going on here. There are just a bunch of funny pet videos here, right? They're useful too. You just need to save this movie to your phone or computer. And it's very easy to do that by going to any YouTube to MP4 converter. It's easy to find websites that can do what you want them to do. Just type that in and look for it. You might want to use a security program because some of them are sketchy for extra safety, but you'll be able to download the movie in full quality in the end. You can also find my step-by-step guide on how to start a successful and popular account on my website. Let's just download it and change it. Now, it might take a second. Remember that these videos don't have any copyrights on them. So I know for sure that the owner of this station will not copy strike us. Since they can't, I'm going to show you a bunch of different ways to make money from your content while this video loads. That means you're not always platform dependent. You can still make some extra cash even if YouTube decides to stop letting people pay for your videos. It's because you're going to set up more than one way to make money, right? But let's not go off track. Right now, the most important thing is to make high-quality movies that people want to watch over and over again. We want as many people to join as possible. We want to get people to join, and then we'll see what happens. So that's it. Now that the video has been changed, I can download it. But guys, this video is laid out sideways. This isn't going to work as a YouTube short as you might have guessed. It lasts for 5 minutes as well, so we need to find a new use for it. I've tried a lot of different ways to do it, but the ones that work best are the ones I know from before. I like Canva.com the best. You need to sign into Canva and type in Instagram story. You'll have a great template after that. You can now start with a new one. When you choose that choice, Canva will take you to their editor right in your browser, where you can add your files. I'm just going to upload that 5-minute video and then cut it up. So that's it. Now, all you have to do is drag and drop. Now though, you should cut this video down to just the most interesting parts. Perhaps we don't need to use the whole video, but you should definitely make sure that it fits this template. It looks pretty good too. I believe we are fortunate. It looks pretty good. So guys, let me show you the first one. Of course, that's not the best video you've ever seen, but it gets the job done. Once more, we have 5 minutes of footage that we can use for something else. The last thing you need to do is click the share button to get the video. It's formatted just right. I think it's a funny and interesting short clip, but if you really want to take it to the next level, you could add some images or text. But I'll let you decide. Please feel free to go the extra mile if you want to. But I'm going to leave it at that to keep things easy and give you a basic plan. It looks like things are beginning to make sense. You only have to upload a certain number of files once you know how the process works and what kind of information you should be uploading. People will be more interested in your videos if you post more of them. As you know, I always tell you that there is money to be made anywhere there is traffic. There's money on the table. Now guys, what's this YouTube Shorts Fund all about? Besides posting our own original material, there are some other conditions we need to meet before we can start making money. To be honest, it might be a little harder to make money from a YouTube Shorts channel than from a regular YouTube channel. That should make sense, right? Look at this. There are some things you should think about if you want to get a bonus from the YouTube Shorts Fund. At first glance, it may seem a little scary because there are so many requirements, but in reality, it's not hard at all, and most people do meet them. There is, however, a small chance that your channel might not make it through this review. Let's say YouTube doesn't want to make money off of your videos for some reason. Don't worry too much about it though, because as I said, I'm going to set up another way to make money that might be even better. So YouTube Shorts Fund, do what I tell you. Go to Amazon.com and look for pet toys for dogs. You'll get a lot of different results, as you might imagine. You just need to pick one of them. It doesn't matter what it is. Let's choose this one. We need to figure out what's going on here first though. Let's take a moment to see things in a bigger picture. Who are we going to get to watch our videos? Most likely, these are people who either love pets or have their own. Actually, we can sell them some of these useful things if they do. I mean, these are toys that every dog owner should have for their dogs. We can make some money if we can make it easy for them to buy these things. You may not believe it, but Amazon has an affiliate program that lets you sell any item on the site and get paid for it. This is how it works. Once more, Amazon lets you search for anything. It doesn't matter what kind of item it is. After that, this top bar will show up. That way, you can get your own unique advertising link. Most likely, most of you don't have it yet. That's because you haven't signed up to be an Amazon associate yet. That's how you do it. You need to link up with Amazon Associates Central. To say it again, this is their own affiliate scheme. Anyone can apply, and those who do are chosen. Finally, guys, trust me when I say this process isn't hard. You just need to fill out a registration form and send it to Amazon. That's all for today's video. I hope you found our video interesting, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.